if you have any adrenaline, normally you will not feel tired. Even though you will not feel tired tonight. It'll hit you tomorrow evening. So I guess they're both still pumped up, and they know that what's at stake tomorrow. Imagine that over the last 3 weeks, all the ideas they rejected because they weren't good enough. Well, now's the time to look at them and see which are practical to try in a rapid scenario, and maybe even potentially a blitz scenario. You just try to have many options, but you know the opponent's going to do it as well, so you have some unexpected stuff here and there, and if you play well, are you able to concentrate and convert properly? You'll do some quick puzzles, these kinds of things. At least that's what I did. And against Boris, I had a good idea in the Rosolimo, for instance, so I thought I could do that, but probably what he should have done is he should have switched openings, and it should have gotten all a bit more harder to predict. Looking at this match, I think they will switch a lot because they've both been focusing so hard on surprising each other, almost not doing anything else but surprising each other. Just look at their games. It's every game they force the other person to start thinking after move 10 or 12 or something like that. So that's quite a clear strategy.
And Vishy, with how much ever factor the fatigue might play here, emotional, physical, one can only imagine the baggage that the players will carry with everything that's happened, not only during the duration of the match, but over the last many months. Gukesh being 18, does that in any way give him a slight edge when it comes to having energy in these critical moments?
Definitely. Age is a big factor, and it should help Gukesh now in this faster time control. But I think age, all these things are just fractions of the advantage that a good position gives you. If you give Ding a chance and he's happy with his position, if it's the kind of position he tends to play well, he will do it effortlessly, and vice versa. That matters also. One thing which helps younger players is in rapid chess, your execution tends to be slightly sloppy, so often you'll see the older player do well, and then they'll make one small inaccuracy, and these younger players will calculate very fast. That sort of trend, I expect, will be a feature tomorrow. But it comes down to if you get a good position in game 1, game 2. If you land a surprise, I think that tilts the balance much more.
So far in all the classical matches, clearly Gukesh has dominated Ding on the time. So what makes everyone say that Ding is the favorite? Then every game, like even in this game, Gukesh has so much time advantage.
It's a good question, actually.
Yes, it's probably similar to. You may detect almost a personal element here. It's when you have the whole day to pack, you do get nothing done, and then you wake up in the morning and 10 minutes before you have to leave, suddenly everything goes into the suitcase. It's like that. I think rapid chess, you think differently. And when you have a lot of time, you tend to wander. Especially Grishchuk is very, very famous for this, for being one of the world's best blitz players and for being one of the world's best time trouble addicts.
Correct.
So it's they play fast when they have to, but when they don't have to, their mind goes here and there. Is I think the best explanation. It's just they need a deadline to work.
And so, what do you think about our setup? Have you been following this live audience? If the director can maybe zoom out and show, sir, we have a live studio audience.
Yes.
Woo! So,
friend se
what do you think? Do you think this could be the future of chess commentary, where there's like a live audience jumping on every move and exclaiming and all of this?
Definitely, I think already in some places you see the fan zone or something is more fun to be, but if you want to look at the players once in a while, you have to sit quietly and just observe them. um, maybe it's a matter of taste, but I think a lot of people spend more time in the fan zone, and of course here having all the commentary entertainment. Also, people don't really want to only have chess moves in front of them for 4 or 5 hours. So some conversation while we're waiting for the move, this sort of thing. It's a brilliant setup, in my opinion.
Let's go. Vishy sir approved. Yes.
So then, Vishy, if this goes into tie breaks, will you come and join us here for live at Habitat then?
He set you up, sir.
Yes, of course I will join for tie break.
Let's go.
Vishy, I meant in Mumbai at Habitat. You coming here?
That's going to be hard to do now.
He needs
First of all, I have to
advertising.
see if I have to, yes, that of course, and I also have to see if airports give permission for the flights to take off.
Oh. What? Why?
So, I mean, we have quite some depression and the rain here.
The weather.
Yeah.
But, Vishy, are you joining from your training room right now? Is this...
Yes.
So, so this is the room that has all the trophies. I've had the privilege of being in there once. It is the most inspiring space any chess player can go to. And okay, I have one request, and if it's not possible at all, Vishy, that's fine. You can just say no. But I was just wondering if you can, by any chance, show us the trophy from the first World Championship match that you won.
Wow.
As Gukesh is trying to get his first here.
Okay, you
It's fine if it's
put
not
me on the
possible.
spot because
Sorry.
my rooms is not presentable usually, but I will show you. Luckily, the World Champion trophy is just here. So. Okay,
Let's go!
let me see. Can you see it? 1 second. There you see it in the far corner. That there's a photo of mine below, and there's a dash, a red dash.
Oh, that's the
That's
one
the World Championship from Tehran, and so that's my first one.
in 2000, right?
What a great problem to have, right? To
1 second,
see
I'll.
which one is it? Out of the million trophies.
This might
I'll
be
give
one
you
of
guys
the
a
most
close-up.
valuable chess
Oh, wow.
rooms. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that is from Delhi
Very
and Tehran.
So beautiful.
Beautiful, inspiring.
Oh, this is stunning. Yeah, and there are 5 of
Thank
them
you.
in there.
Yeah, there are 5 of there. I think there are multiple chess Oscars somewhere. So there are so many amazing trophies.
1 second, I'll just show you the rules and so on.
Oh!
I'll have to put some lights.
Vishy sir, flex mode.
I mean, with the position they have to entertain like this. So they have. Here's another one, the world champion in Sofia. Sorry, I have to figure out the lights right now, but okay. Sofia and so on. So these are the world championship medals and also my Padma awards and so on.
Wow.
I'm getting goosebumps just
By the way,
looking at
guys,
it.
you should know that Vishy Anand was the first ever sports player to get Padma Vibhushan. Not the first chess player, but the first ever sports player of India. So, and it is the second highest civilian award. So the only thing that's left now is Bharat Ratna, which will happen soon.
Thank you. Thank you. Guys.
Amazing.
It's
That gave me
beautifully
goosebumps.
arranged
Yeah, it's
actually
stunning.
over there. And Tanya, that was a very nice request, by the way.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
But I'm like,
was
after
beautiful.
seeing all this greatness, now back to our faces. I have one trophy from COV, man.
And I think you placed it so prominently in your house, like
I wore also checked.
enter होते ही वो trophy दिखता है.
But we've had some moves.
Yeah, Gukesh is trying actually. He's put his king here, pawn to g5. I think he wants to drop his bishop back to g6, which he did, and maybe try for h5, h4, perhaps something like that.
Yes, what I thought could be a way to make progress was h5, G4, King to G5, and then F5, F4, and H4. All of that at the same time, so that you exchange one pawn but not two.
Nice.
And that seemed like excellent practical chances, but already Ding is pinning that F7 pawn, so I don't know how easy it will be to carry all that out. Maybe it just doesn't work.
But also for Ding, why would he just give up a pawn? Because anyway it was equal and it would have been easier, right, for him to play with the extra pawn.
Good point. I would have, since he had Rook D3, there was no need to give it up. He could have played Rook D3, Queen D2, something like that. Keep the B pawn. You can always blunder it later, but not right away.
So a rook trade has been offered. If Gukesh wants to keep winning chances, he has to
He'll
decline
not
the
trade.
trade.
100% he'll not trade. I can bet my house.
Yes.
Huh? ये कौन सा वाला सागर?
And leads to some interesting possibilities, but anyway.
Okay, a rook trade also offered now. Queen trade was offered, bishop trade was offered, rook trade was offered.
Okay.
Ding just wants to draw.
Yes, he sacrificed the pawn, in fact, to go into this endgame. So he definitely wants to shut the game
He's
down.
good at trading.
See, Vishy laughed, he approved. That's a good one.
Vishy sir, there is a difference between laughing with and laughing at.
I get a feeling Amrita is auditioning for your show.
She's making a strong case.
Yeah, she's.
Yeah.
Today
This is the
she-
kind of contestants we select always.
I think Vishy, you just heard the first joke only today. Amrita has cracked many more. So if you are keen on hearing it, you can let us know.
Let's not go there. It's an interesting position.
We're all having a good time so far. So let's keep that. You know, Vishy sir has a famous train story.
Yes.
I have a famous flight story with sir now.
Oh.
Yeah, so one day randomly I was in the Mumbai airport and I was going to Chennai, and suddenly, and I was feeling very sad because you guys had won the championship. I was not feeling sad because I was feeling sad that I couldn't be a part of that event.
After the Olympics.
Yes, and randomly in front of me there was Vishy sir, and I had a great time. We had like people coming in, pictures, we were having fun, making jokes, talking, and I felt like so good because I got one-on-one time with sir. And then as we were walking to the flight, I'm so excited. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna sit next to him in the flight. I'm gonna exchange my seats, and then I'm gonna play chess. He's gonna look at my games. He's gonna be, impressed. And while we are entering the flight, he says, "Oh, so what seat are you on?" And I'm like, "I'm on 19F." He's like, "Okay, I'm at 2C." And I was like, "Oh, he's at business class."
Oh.
And I never take business class domestic because I think it's waste of money. From that day onwards till today, always I've told my manager, we only fly business now.
Wow.
So from that day till now, I've only flight business. Vishy sir never met me again in the flight. So always old businessmen who are sleeping. But in hope that one more day comes where I get to fly with sir.
Wow.
That is the best argument you can give to HR department why you not fly business class. It is so cool, Samir. You just nailed it.
In my head, I had proper scenarios. Okay, I'm gonna play this move, and he's gonna see, and he's gonna be like, wow.
In any case, wow is not going to happen.
But
Yeah. Samay, but now you always travel business class.
yeah, always
yes?
searching, looking for the
For Vishy to be
Yes.
around, but he's not that.
always people who sleep before takeoff, and
Brilliant.
they snore also
Brilliant.
because the seats are comfortable.
Vishy, is it okay if one or two questions can be asked from the audience here to you?
Sure.
So guys, if any of you have any questions to Vishy, this would be a very good time for you to ask. Oh, we have a young kid there, young boy.
Young kid.
I mean, sorry.
I've never met an old kid.
Hi, Vashi sir.
Oh, hi.
Hi,
Sir,
what's
how
your
are
name?
you? I'm Nevan, sir. How are you?
Very good, thank you. How are you?
Sir, I'm great. So my question to you is, when you won your 5th World Cup, did, did how happy were you?
Great question.
Uh, that was the one with Gelfand.
Yeah.
And mostly, I think I was more relieved than happy even.
Oh.
The match had been very difficult, and there was a sigh of relief first that it was over, and second that it had gone well. The tiebreak had gone well. Sometimes it's possible to confuse relief and happiness, but mostly there, the next few days afterwards, I just thought, thank you to God that somehow I survived that one.
So your team had a big job in this game, didn't they?
Yes, very much. The thing is, the match was not necessarily going well for us, but even the ones that are not going your way, you have to still keep fighting and playing. And that takes effort, so my team had a very big role in that.
Yes, so that's enough. Thank you so much. It was an honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I actually have a follow up on that before we go to the next question. Rishi, which was your happiest World Championship win out of the 5 titles that you have?
I will guess. 2008. Is that correct?
Yes, 2008. So I have a soft corner for 7 as well. Both, I remember also in Mexico, I felt very, very good about myself, but probably you're right. Bonn takes the cake. Just the best match.
Against
Brilliant.
Kramnik.
I can only imagine if we had a live audience like this for that match,
Oh.
when Vishy would have played 93, we would have all gone like
Yeah.
crazy, guys. You have to see that move that was
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
We were watching it live and that was really
Yeah,
fun.
it would have been insane. Yes, one more. Maybe we can give it here, this side. हाँ ठीक है उनको बात करो.
Hi Rishi sir, firstly it's an honor just to talk with you. So my question is, can we ever see if Gukesh wins the World Championship again? Vishwanathan Anand versus Domaraju Gukesh in a World Championship match maybe. That would be something really epic to watch.
I have a long qualification for that. First of all, and it requires me to change the direction of my life for the last few years. But who knows? Who knows?
That would be like something very inspirational to watch also. Yeah.
Thank you. There are other Indian matches with Gukesh possible.
Yeah.
So that's
Arjun.
just an extra option for you, but Arjun Club. So there are some other options, but okay, I will keep it in mind. Thank you.
Yeah, alright. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. It's an honor.
Thank you.
Oh, we have one last question.
Last
Anyone?
one, yeah.
The guy with the headphones.
No.
Hey Vashi, it's an honor to talk to you.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's an extreme honor to talk to you. I'll just take the polar opposite direction to that. I just wanted to know, in your first half of your chess career, when chess was not accessible in India or across Asia, how difficult was it to go to Europe, come back and forth, and like, what were those struggles at that time? Like, I don't know if government used to support a whole lot at that point in time. If you could throw some light on that, it would be really nice to know. And the reason I ask this is because I stay in New York now, and then I'm part of a chess club there, and a lot of people talk very highly about you, and it's so good to hear from them as an Indian. So yeah, it's just to know more about those first half when, globally also India was not as recognized as it is now. So just being very random at that point in time. So yeah, that's it.
Okay. It was amazing. It was fun. I felt exactly like Gukesh felt, that it was my dream, and here I was competing in all the best tournaments. I had just unbelievable memories from those days, especially getting into my first top tournaments, playing. Conditions were superb. Of course, support, interest, all these things had to grow to where they to where they are today. But people started to get interested. I remember already the first match I played with Gary in New York. There were a lot of people watching that. I mean, it was on Doordarshan, for instance. Probably predates the internet, but anyway, it was on Doordarshan, and there was quite a lot of newspaper coverage and all. So everything, it's hard to compare the future and the past, but I have no real complaints. Of course, the travel options, many of those things have to get better, and nowadays, with the kind of connectivity we have, it's hard to know whether it's better or worse. I mean, I even miss days with less connectivity and so on. Life seems so that days will be. It was not a bad thing. I thought it was the adventure of my life.
Okay.
Wow.
Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Yeah.
Meanwhile, Gukesh did decline the rook trade.
Yes.
And Vishy, you had mentioned a plan, right? A little glimmer of hope that black can push for in this position, where you advance the G pawn and try to get those connected G and F pawn going forward before striking with H4. How realistic of a try is that?
It's probably just a draw. But it's the only plan I see. I mean, the problem with the H pawn here is that it's going to get stranded. Even if you create a H pasa, it's just going to get stranded there. You spend all your time defending, nothing moves. So it was the only plan I could see. And the reason I wanted to have 2 versus 1 was to give them more combinations are possible. Especially if the white king is really hemmed into H2 or G2 and there are pawns on H4 and G4 or something like that. But even with all the best hope in the world, I don't think it's a real winning shot. Having said that, you'll never know until you try. So that's one argument.
But can time play an important part here towards the end?
Only if you actually get to a position where there are difficult moves to find. I mean, you give me this position with 3 seconds, I'll still play bishop 8, bishop d7, bishop 8 again, bishop 3, bishop 3, 6, and you'll get to the time control. You have to put some problem on the board and then combine that with time. Otherwise, the position is too simple now.
So then is this 100% headed into a playoff tomorrow then?
99.73.
Just a little bit.
But sir,
Just we'll keep a little bit of hope.
Sir, what do you feel about so many people watching? One day we had 200,000 people watching this broadcast, and for classical chess, I think it was like a dream come true that so many people are investing 6 hours, 5 hours into chess. How does that make you feel, sir?
Very happy. I mean, that is one of the effects of the World Championship. That the idea that Gukesh and perhaps for the Chinese spectators that they're competing for the world title. You have this contrast, experienced world champion against a very young challenger, and the occasion is special. People want to check in and find out, and you guys have put up this very innovative and entertaining way of participating. So it's very, very good.
Thank you so much, Vishy, and also you've been very kind to join us almost every single day since you've been back from Singapore.
And he's promised that he's coming live
tomorrow
with
as
us.
well. So we are very, very grateful to you. Thank you, and also thank you for spending time today with us. Guys, a huge round of applause for Vishy for joining us. And
It would be epic if, sir, you could come here physically. We'll make sure the business class, everything is done, sir.
But we won't compete with each other in the airport.
I'll take a flight to pick you
We're
up,
already
sir.
in Bombay. Bye.
some maybe private jet you can organize.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, but thank you, Rishi. Thanks once again, and
Yeah.
see you tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah, bye guys.
Bye, sir.
Guys, that was the 5-time world champion Vishy Anand with the verdict that this could be 99.73 chances of going into tie
Very
break.
exact. He's just keeping a little hope alive. But what a time this is, right? Where we can actually get such insights, such deep thoughts of a player who's won it 5 times. How difficult is it to become world champion? And imagine Vishy's done it 5, and we can know what it takes for a player to get there, what the players are feeling. I mean, this was just amazing to have him.
Right. And I want to make a small announcement before we go ahead, which is that the tickets for tomorrow are live already. They are like, if the game doesn't happen, then you will get refund. And I
Finally,
think
no.
already 25 tickets have been sold out. So the link is in the description in case. Actually, I removed the link today.
Dal do.
I thought ki kya
Dal do.
shayad
I
se,
mean,
but it's not
Kal-
book my show.
World champion, we will have a world champion tomorrow. So I
Yes.
think you guys can't miss
Are you sure tomorrow we still have to
हाँ?
थोड़ा तो wait करना पड़ेगा ना आज के लिए? हाँ
99.7.
तो थोड़ा ऐसे मतलब we
Point
cannot-
72. It's not 100%.
It's not 100. It's true.
And by the way, we are going to soon have another guest joining us. Yes. Any guesses, guys?
Online?
Hint.
Online?
Vidit? Anish?
नहीं, विदित घर पे बैठ के ऑनलाइन
Anand Mahindraju?
भाई ऐसे आप गेस करोगे फिर बाद में मतलब 1-2 नाम के लिए आप खुश इतना नहीं हुए फिर एक नाम के लिए ऐसे तो फिर जो आएंगे उनको बुरा लगेगा ना
विदित तो अपने भाई है ना यार अभी। घर की मुर्गी तो दाल
Wait,
बना।
a chess player?
Yes, yes, chess
okay,
player.
A chess player from India?
from India.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
And by the way, Samay guessed it right at the first
अच्छा
go.
विदित भाई आ रहे क्या?
Oh, nice. Is he coming here to Habitat?
No, he's going to come. He's going to come online.
Online.
To give us insights about this complicated position. I think we need 2 super grandmasters, right? Back to back. जब चाहिए था तब कभी नहीं आया भाई विदित भाई। Bishop ending में आ रहा है।
But you know what? Gukesh is going for the idea that Vishy mentioned. It's really the plan. Your only hope is to push the pawns forward. So Sagar, explain what was the concept. You want 2 connected pawns.
Yeah, I think let's just make some moves. For example, let's say white waits, then I push, then you wait, then I come with my king up, then you wait, then I come up. आप wait करते रहो, मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ. And then I play h4. This was one of the plans that Vishy mentioned. Now you're threatening h3, so mara. And now you have these 2 pawns, so let's imagine you still wait. Let's say you can see the bar is not even moving, which
Now
means
it does, by the way.
now it's slightly.
King G4 5 नहीं जाएगी ना फिर।
नहीं वो मेरे को f4 push करना था.
And
So
this
now
gives-
this is a little bit of tension for white.
So this is what Gukesh is aiming for
Correct.
right now.
वहाँ पे King G5 की जगह कुछ और नहीं कर सकते थे?
हाँ कर सकते थे. Maybe something else here like I don't know rook e5. We can try, but the main problem is even if we get f4 f3, he can always sack the bishop for 2 pawns and it's a draw.
Rook Bishop versus
And Rook Bishop versus Bishop. Samay, have you studied that? सागर ने सिखाया था
नहीं.
तुम्हें लगता है सिखाया होता तो याद रहता वैसे भी
And in order to teach us the more intricacies of rook bishop versus bishop, rook bishop versus rook, we have the one and only Vidit Gujarati.
Yo,
Yo!
हेलो भाई
how's it going, guys?
भाई बहुत complicated position है समझ में नहीं आ रही है. So I think only you can throw light on this position now. So
Well, I
I
mean,
know
yeah,
the
you're
bar
right.
says
It's
it's equal,
extremely
but like, what does
complicated.
the bar know, man? If you can give us deep dive into this position.
Well, I think the short answer here is that it's going to be a draw.
What?
But I don't see a scenario where black can win unless
Unless they play
there's
illegal
something
move.
seriously goes wrong with the pawn structure. वो भी लॉस नहीं होता है, एक वार्निंग मिलती है.
अरे यार. Rule book आज पढ़ के आया हूँ.
By the way, they have reached 40 moves just right now. ये 40th move था.
अब उनको मिलेंगे 30 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा so that they can calculate this difficult position.
Ting को 30 minutes मिले, so he's reached 38. Gukesh को 30 minutes मिले नहीं है क्योंकि he is on the 40th move, yet he has more time than Ding. So when he'll get 30 minutes, he'll have like 1 hour 12
And
minutes.
we still have 1 lakh people watching this.
Wow.
All thanks to Vidit Bhai. How are you, Vidit Bhai? Should we tell what happened here yesterday?
What happened?
We have to buy.
If Vidit Bhai allows.
Yes, Vidit bhai.
Well, in good time.
Bhai, what is good time?
अबे टाइम
विदित
तो
के
है ही, अभी तो
चैनल
half
पे
an hour
ब्लॉग
extra
निकलेगा
ये
ना?
तो ब्लॉग को डालने दो, हम
अच्छा।
बोल सकते हैं.
विदित ब्लॉग किया क्या?
भाई 4
I
के
mean,
कैमरास
yes,
ने
थोड़ा
shoot
record
किया
हुआ
पूरा.
हाँ, because this is
विदित
a
क्लिप्स
memory
पे डाल
for
सकता है क्या?
lifetime.
या मेन चैनल पे डाल सकता है?
Vidit Bhai, if you are comfortable,
अरे यार.
then we will tell. If you are not, then we will still tell.
The thing is, I have not thought about it.
Okay, now calculate.
कि बोलना है कि नहीं.
टाइम प्रेशर में कैलकुलेट करो.
अरे यार. मेरा उस. अरे यार. I don't know.
Okay, let's not. Let's save that revenue for you.
Acha Vidit, you know, one of the biggest things we've been discussing is what happens if the match goes into a tie break. What is your take on
We were discussing
that
Sama is
situation?
stronger in classical chess or rapid. What do you think?
We can start with
Well,
that.
to answer both very related questions,
लिख के देता हूँ मेरे को जो.
I was wondering if Samay plays this position as white,
हाँ.
let's say against Sagar, and Sagar is black, what are the chances that it will be a draw?
I'll win 10
Because
out of 10.
10
it's
out of
again-
10.
Yes.
आ जाओ भाई.
भाई खेलते
चलो
हैं.
अभी लगाओ.
अभी.
Okay. So
Live में.
I think 10 out of 10 is a bit exaggeration. I think Samay can hold this.
I think he'll hold it twice. I
I'll
think
play
he
this
does
from
it.
black, in fact.
What?
You
Black.
Come on, you play white, I'll play black. You can't see the engine.
ऐसे मतलब इधर खेलना है. मुझे लगा वो बोर्ड पे
नहीं,
सेटअप करेंगे
यहाँ करो
अपन,
ना.
दूसरा कैमरा ले आएंगे, फिर
नहीं,
क्लॉक,
यहाँ करो, यहाँ
उधर
करो.
दूसरा ही वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप का
हाँ,
शुरू
इधर
करते हैं.
फटाफट में उसको खेलना है ऐसा. ब्लैक से खेलना है.
Go for it, Sagar bhai.
No, because the question was like white has to make multiple mistakes to go wrong here. I mean, I don't. Otherwise, it can be a one-move blunder, but which is unlikely.
Wait, you meant Sagar will play
So-
with white or with black?
Black.
Sagar will play with black.
Oh,
Samay
I
is
thought
holding
you
with
meant
white.
Sagar will be white and 10 games में how many times in
नहीं
this
नहीं
position
भाई,
he
white
can
से
win
कैसे
with white?
जीतेंगे? वैसे समय
समय
है.
Yeah, how white? Yeah,
तूने
exactly.
सोचा क्या मतलब समय?
एक second, white pieces you won't even win one game against Samay.
मतलब समय के साथ कोई भी पोजीशन से जीत सकते हैं वैसा ऐसा तो नहीं है बट मतलब
White
थोड़ा
से
चेस
कैसे
का भी
जीतना है?
तो
वीकेंड
यहाँ पे बोलो ना, आप white to play, क्या खेलोगे आप?
भाई अभी वाइट टू प्ले.
So let's make like 10 moves. You can make 10 moves.
सागर भाई engine बंद करो.
बंद कर देता हूँ भाई. इंजन ऑफ.
You can make 10 moves with black, free 10 moves you're giving.
No.
Oh.
Like let's play out a
Yeah.
game between both of you for 10 moves
Okay.
to see what is the margin of error.
Let's see. That's
No
a great one.
engines are on, let's go.
So Sagar bhai to play.
It's आपकी
यू
move.
भाई यू आर वाइट.
I am white.
हाँ.
Can we flip the board then?
हाँ ठीक है चलो. भाई पर वो फिर उधर अलाइनमेंट. हाँ ठीक है इधर ये
ठीक है.
व्यू में चलेगा.
So I will play here.
You know, just in case anyone's joining right now, we are not
G4.
analyzing. Sagar and Samay are just playing out this position.
Oh, G4. G4. Thank you. Look at the bar. बढ़िया भाई बढ़िया. As expected, I will take a passer.
I will
bar?
request for take back.
अरे भाई ये क्या है?
First loss, समय.
समय you blundered on move number 1.
My bad. Okay. So okay, I'll just wait with the bishop. I'll go bishop c6.
ठीक है. I will go ahead with Vishy's plan. पहले थोड़ा
ये trap है
G4.
मेरा. Okay, you went for g4.
Hmm.
I will go for rook f4.
Nice move. I like it.
F5.
This was the trap.
नहीं पता
You
नहीं.
see the bar? You see the bar?
अभी
Bishop d7.
Bishop D7, King G5.
थोड़ा सोच के आंसर में.
So here I will play the move.
थोड़ा सोच.
सोच ही रहा हूँ.
भाई इतना क्या है? मतलब तू मैं क्या दोस्त नहीं हूँ क्या?
दाने hint नहीं
तुम्हें
दे.
यार कहाँ चाहिए?
I will play here. Can I break the? Why not? No, if I break your rook e2.
हाँ.
So
थोड़ा
I
डर के
will
भाई.
just wait with the bishop c6.
Very nice भाई.
मैंने
Thank
कोशिश
you
पूरी
so
की थी
much.
guys.
Yes guys, थोड़ा progress.
क्या बात है?
I will offer draw.
Reject Sagar, reject.
Yes.
I will complicate the position with F3.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Okay. So there is still some meat in the position, basically, right?
That's
Check.
good news. We are actually getting some hope now.
There is
Thanks
some
to
there's
this.
some chances here, basically.
So Ding has to play like Samay to lose. So most likely it's going to be a draw.
Now it's 100% draw. Okay,
But
wait.
why?
But
How?
actually you just have to wait Samay. Do nothing.
He did that. Why? He waited very
Life में
poorly.
वही तो किया है उसने ऐसे.
क्या हो क्या मतलब
मतलब उन्होंने बोला आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं है भाई.
इसने किया है.
प्रिंटिंग इंजीनियरिंग के मतलब थोड़ी कुछ होता है ना सागर.
Okay, can we flip the board, by
And your other question was also interesting. Achha, you're playing one more?
No, flip the
हो
board.
गया
right?
भाई.
हाँ अभी हो गया ना. अभी अपन गुकेश का मतलब थोड़ा
What
होप आ
question?
गया है अभी.
What question, bhai?
The one about the
No,
world
you had asked
championship.
the chances in tie breaks.
हाँ. किस पे आप लगाते पैसे?
मेरा ये question.
I think the odds are 60-40
वो तो आपने देख लिया वेबसाइट पे.
in favor of Ding.
Yeah.
Oh, in the rapid playoff. Why do you say that?
In rapid playoff.
Why do you say that?
Actually,
Vidit?
with it, you have played rapid playoff with Ding, right? In World Cup. है ना?
Yeah.
2017.
I have. And I've played rapid games with Gukesh also.
Hmm.
तो आपको क्या
So
लगता है?
when
Strong कौन है?
Ding was in his prime, so I feel Ding is much better rapid player because his intuition is better. Gukesh has not ever taken rapid or blitz too seriously. So he was always focused on classical, and I feel you need a lot of practice to get the rhythm. So I think Ding is a favorite, but at the same time, I don't like Ding's mindset in the match.
What do you think is his mindset?
Like if you see today also, he's very safe, very safe. And the thing is with that is when you get a chance, you're not ready to take it
Would that be possible?
because
that
you're
Ding
so
is-
passive in the mindset itself.
No, but because he wants to go to tie breaks. He's thinking about tie break.
Start से ही ना.
Yeah. Not just tie breaks, but even he just doesn't want to take risks.
Right.
पर आपको क्या लगता है?
He wants to win with like everything in control, which is very hard to do.
विदित भाई, like इतने दिन का क्लासिक ग्राइंड, फिर एक दिन के रैपिड पे डिसाइड हो रहा है. तो do you think that's मजा आएगा उसमें?
मजा तो आएगा भाई.
मजा
Well,
तो
it's
आएगा.
like
I
World
think
Cup
that's
in
fair.
football, no?
It's like a penalty shootout, no?
Yeah, it's like a penalty shootout. I just wish there was a day off for them
Yeah, that's also good.
because it's so much nerves. Like one move here that can go wrong will decide the world championship, and there's not enough time to normalize. कल आके रैपिड के लिए रेडी होना है उनको.
Don't you think it should have been sudden death in classical?
Like जो पहला हारता है.
इसके बाद जो पहला हारा वो हार गया.
But it can go on.
They did this somewhere. It can go on for a long time. Yeah.
And then कब तक होटल
तुम
बुक
कब तक
करो?
शो कैंसिल
कब
करोगे?
तक?
No late के लिए कोई जगह नहीं.
बलराज भाई का
राज भाई का
habitat.
habitat पूरा अटक जाएगा. कितने दिनों तक?
But Vidit, what you said about Ding's safety first approach, just to follow up on Amrita's point, do you think that's just been as cagey because he has a sort of a tunnel vision that he wants to take this match to rapid? He wants this to go into tie breaks because he considers himself a bit of a favorite there.
I don't think necessarily it's because he wants to take it to the tiebreak. It's more like little bit lack of confidence, or if you see his game when he had to win, he was forced to push. It was a different thing.
Yeah.
क्योंकि उसको हारने के लिए कुछ नहीं था तब.
Game 12.
Like he had to win that game, so he was playing a bit different. He was playing faster.
But someone who lacks confidence.
Whereas now, he has something to lose.
Can he bring back his confidence like for one day? Because it's generally has to be a consistent thing, right?
ऐसे पूछते ना अमृता, जैसे कि विदित भाई उनका मेंटर है भाई. क्या क्या पिएगा आज डिंग? आपको बीटरूट जूस पिएगा क्या?
आइसक्रीम
पर गुकेश जिस तरह खेल रहा है, he is refusing everything. It shows that he does not like the idea of a tie break. क्योंकि
No,
But
it's
he
just
doesn't
Mukesh,
like draws.
not just tie break.
Yeah.
Even if this was first game, he would push. And of course, this is a risk-free position.
Yes.
He should push.
You know when.
But overall in the match also we saw that he did this.
He just wants to play on. And it's also something to say, right? Because last classical game, you're playing with the black pieces, up a pawn, you're the one who's putting pressure, you're the one who's pushing, and your opponent has to defend.
What is that?
भाई आपसे मैं
तूने
बात
कुछ
ही
किया
नहीं
है
कर
क्या
पाता।
समय?
ये देखो मेरे को दिखाना है कुछ और पर कुछ और आ रहा है भाई, तो आप कैसे मैं आपसे बात करूं? ये
वैसे तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो अभी?
डायरेक्टर साहब मेरे कान में बोल रहे हैं बहुत बढ़िया अर्जुन का गेम चल रहा है, ठीक है, तो आई एम लाइक शिफ्ट करके थोड़ा दिखा दो अर्जुन
हाँ,
का
लगाओ,
गेम,
लगाओ।
तो मैं ही दिख जाता हूँ हमेशा पहले।
कोई नहीं, 2 सेकंड आंखें बंद कर
देयर
लेंगे
इज नो वे।
We can tolerate for like 10
हाँ,
seconds.
देख लो दोस्तों
मैं
थोड़ा।
तो देखूंगी सागर शाह आपको।
अरे पर ये होता भी नहीं है। हाँ रुको, रिफ्रेश करना रहता है। यस आई गॉट इट।
इस बोर्ड में इतने कम स्पेस है, फिर भी सागर शाह के सर पे ज्यादा स्पेस है भाई। इतने कम पीस फिर भी मोर फ्री स्क्वायर्स ऑन हिज हेड।
भाई मैं एक्चुअली बाल आगे करता हूँ तो पीछे वाले चले जाते हैं।
कुछ रीग्रोथ के लिए कुछ लगाया था ना, एक पैक आज जो
भाई आज अपने स्पॉन्सर अलग है। तू एयर लर्न पे कौन सा लैंग्वेज सीख सकती है? तू बाल के स्पॉन्सर को इंटीग्रेट कर।
अरे नहीं, मैं आई वाज जस्ट आउट ऑफ कंसर्न, आई वाज आस्किंग कि कैसा गया वो जर्नी आपका?
बढ़िया जर्नी था भाई। समय आया घर पे, मेरे को यूज किया, उसके बाद चला गया। हाँ तो दोस्तों ये पोजीशन यहाँ पे अर्जुन एरिगाइसी वाइट है।
भाई हम देखते हैं तभी ब्लंडर क्यों होता है भाई?
कौन सा ब्लंडर
जो
हुआ?
भी क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है, जैसे हम
ओह।
क्वेश्चन बोलते हैं।
भाई अर्जुन एरिगाइसी का गेम ऐसे कैसे होता है कि एकदम वियर्ड पोजीशन ही आती है, लाइक
Always chaotic.
every single time
Like
there is
no normal chess position.
And Magnus was correct, right? Like when he called, like, okay, many people don't like that he's called like madman, but it's done in a very very good way. That वो position ऐसे लेके आता है, crazy रहता है completely. And today if he wins, guys, he will win Qatar Masters, he will top the FIDE circuit, and he will become very very close to become the first qualifier to the candidates 2026.
पर इसमें से है कौन सा भाई?
White है भाई वो, white.
I mean, engine says white is better, although I wouldn't say it's so obvious. Because if black gets 1 or 2 moves, he can consolidate.
I mean, with it visually, though, it looks black's doing great, right? The queen, bishop, rook on the e file.
Yeah.
So why is this actually better for Arjun?
I think there's some concrete reason, like he takes on h3, queen h3, queen g2 maybe.
बढ़िया.
And if the queen goes back to f5 to keep the queen, then g6 will come.
Wow. Bhai, Samay bhai, we sometimes forget Vidit is so strong, right? Like we are just joking, and then he says all engine moves 5-6, and then we are remember कि भाई ये भी 2750 प्लेयर है.
मैं भी भूल जाता हूँ भाई.
Nice variation. What a...
Yeah, and suddenly it switches because white's the one who's going on the attack in that line, opening up files.
Who is he playing against? Arjun?
Esipenko.
Oh, Esipenko.
Andre Esipenko.
एसीपेंको इज लीडिंग हाफ पॉइंट से आगे है वो, उसको मस्ट विन है.
Oh, Esipenko is a very tough player to beat. He's very solid.
But this position doesn't look very solid. Now it looks more like an Arjun position than an Esipenko position.
Arjun just like creates a complete mess over the board. You know, in modern era, there's no player like Arjun who can like create complications with so much theory and all. He is ready to take any amount of risk.
Yeah.
Vidit, why are you not coming from Mumbai? इधर पवई से यहाँ
हाँ
तक
यार,
क्यों
तुम
नहीं आ रहे हो?
मुंबई में
कहाँ
रहते हो.
हो?
Why are you joining us from Zoom?
हाँ,
ये क्या है?
क्या है ये भाई?
बताओ तो
Not
सही,
done with
कहाँ
it.
हो आप?
अरे गुकेश की इसमें कुछ मूव हुआ होगा, देखते हैं.
He's dodging the questions, Sagar.
Okay. Let me go back to bike, guys. Please, director साहब वो scene change.
प्लीज भाई कल आओ ना आप इधर हमें ज्वाइन करने लाइव.
Tie breaks.
I'm not in town tomorrow.
Oh.
Which town are you?
Can you? Arre.
Other.
चेंज कर रहा हूँ. मैं बोला भी इस बार. ठीक है, हाँ हो गया.
कहाँ जा रहे हो कल आप?
Town.
What is the format for tomorrow?
So it's a best of 4 in 15 minutes with a 10
टॉपिक चेंज
second.
किया भाई ने यार.
है ना अपने पास
नहीं,
फॉर्मेट
वापस
का.
जाएंगे.
Oh,
ये
let's
वो
bring it
topic
up.
पे.
Let's
क्या
bring it
स्मूथली
up.
किया भाई ने यार.
I think वो actually पूछ रहा था.
तानिया रुक जा पहले.
नहीं
तू
यार.
है किधर विदित? Where are you?
Where are you? Are you at home
मैं तो
homeopathy?
seriously मुझे लगा कि
Good one. Good one.
क्या बोला समय में सुना नहीं.
होमियो का पति है ना ये.
Oh, nice. रोमियोपति. रोमियोपति.
यार ये बेस्ट है.
Oh my God.
But where are you going to?
From Nashik Kashik to Romeopathy. What a
we all grew up.
Oh.
But I think Romeopathy is a great Instagram caption for your next photo with me.
तानिया तुम उसको बचा कैसे लेती हो एवरी टाइम. वो उसको बोल रहा है सेंटेंस कि वो जा कर रहा है कल.
तान्या बेचारे कब से ट्राई कर रही पोजीशन पे आने के लिए. Yes, Tanya, please.
नहीं
No,
मैंने.
actually, I was curious about tomorrow's format.
Let's bring up the now.
हाँ, yes,
Let's
have
bring
the
it up.
Format 4 गेम 15+0, 2 गेम 10+5, 2 गेम 3+2 and then sudden death. भाई कहाँ जा रहे हो कल?
मुंबई की ट्रेन. मुंबई की ट्रेन लेके कहाँ जा रहे हो?
अरे यार.
विदित भाई खुद से बोला मैं आ रहा हूँ करके स्ट्रीम पे.
But कहाँ जा
No,
रहा
now
है?
I'm like very interested.
अच्छा.
Actually, like
भाई तो रुक जाओ
to,
ना एक
क्योंकि
दिन.
it's very exciting, no?
हाँ तो कल के दिन रुक जाओ ना एक दिन इधर. Maybe you can go at 9.
पहले तो ये भी पता नहीं था ना कि it will go to tie breaks.
Correct.
So I had already made
Actually,
plans before
lot of
that.
people couldn't make plans because of that. Because we
एक
never
आधा दिन
knew.
आगे कर दो भाई बुकिंग.
Yeah, I'm
अच्छा अब तो
thinking.
मैं भी बहुत
I'll-
curious हूँ.
I'll-
ऐसी कौन सी बुकिंग करी है तुमने यार विदित? जो ये इतना बोल रहा है.
No, I'll try to join.
That's easier for him.
Nice, bye. Amazing.
सागर भाई कह रहे हैं आप रात को जाओ ना. दिन में हमारे साथ कमेंट्री करो फिर रात को चले जाओ आप.
हाँ वो भी
Yeah,
possible तो है.
that could be an option.
Yes.
A post match, yeah.
Right. It's possible because.
What
anyway.
because? What because? भाई देखो यार सागर भाई को.
No, but honestly, it's very exciting because I have seen this tie break पहले, Magnus versus Karyakin.
But what
It was a
25
thriller
minutes
in a way,
था?
like to watch that.
Correct. बहुत मजा
Yeah.
आएगा. बहुत मजा आएगा.
Yeah.
कल.
Let's go. Do we have with it tomorrow then for sure?
Not for sure, but I'm really
भाई
considering
now
it.
Vidit can't make decisions alone. पता है ना आपको? He has to ask.
So now it's bug house.
Bug out. It's team chess now. But Vidit, do you think there's a difference because earlier matches had a longer time control in the rapid, right, which was 25 minutes, and this is pure fast play. 15 minutes is a lot less.
I think 25 would have given Gukesh an advantage because he uses, let's say, more time in general to calculate and stuff, and he tries to be creative. Whereas in 15+10, there is a limitation. At some point, you have to play on with your hand.
तो
So
तुम्हें क्या लगता
I
है ये
think 25
कहाँ
would
तक
have given him
जाएगा?
slight edge.
Will it get decided in the 15, the 10, or the blitz?
That's a good question.
इतना क्या
10
predict
is
कर रहा
two game, best of two games.
है? No, 10. Yeah, 10 is best of 2. 15 is best of 4.
I think it will be decided in 15. No, it's very hard.
Full
I'm
calculation.
thinking of the match with Nepo and Ding
Yeah, that was.
because it went till the Blitz game, right?
It was decided. I think.
Yes, it did.
Fourth rapid game, it didn't go to the blitz where Rook G6 happened. It was a rapid game.
Yeah, Rook G6, yeah. I think it will go till 10.
10
best 10+5.
Really? Wow.
ए,
Yeah.
मजे आने वाले हैं
Because only 2 wide games.
2:30 को ही शुरू होगा.
Ding will be solid in those 2 wide games.
Every day जैसे time. And by the way, in between games there's only
Okay.
10-minute break. So a game will end in like 40 minutes, and then 10 minutes break. Second game will start. So like in 4 hours we will have like the first set of games done, and then next set वापस 1 घंटे में.
It starts at same time, no?
Yeah.
Actually, it's very interesting.
हाँ भाई. भाई plan change कर लो.
हाँ मेरे को लग रहा है विदित ना थोड़ा सा
Vidit, how is Nidhi? How is Nidhi?
Oh.
She's doing well.
And is she around with you, like over there?
ये हम
Not right now.
लास्ट टाइम वो क्लिप्स चैनल पे तुम लोगों का क्लिप बहुत फेमस हुआ था, तो आई जस्ट थॉट अगर आएगी हाई करेगी तो एक
और
Oh भाई.
भाई यूपीआई आईडी बोल देना उसको, भाई इसको यूपीआई कर दो भाई डायरेक्टली.
भाई विदित भाई, अगर आपके पास पॉप यूपीआई है तो उससे करना, तो आपको पॉप कॉइन्स भी मिलेंगे.
Nice. Nice.
You know, this is reminding me of when we were in London and Vidit had to make a choice to go to Same's show or to train because his tournament was starting the next day. So he was very torn at that time as well.
He chose training.
He
And
chose
then he lost
chess.
the next round.
No, he won. He won. He won.
You are
And then
Tanya
this
once
is-
again remembers the important
He
facts.
didn't play so well in that.
Within
Oh,
five
yeah,
minutes,
yeah, no.
no.
WR,
Yeah,
WR
I-
played.
WR.
Yeah. You beat Topalo. Correct? No,
Yeah,
I thought.
I
Why
remember.
then?
Correct.
Vidit played a tournament. The natural instinct he did not do well last time.
नहीं.
सोचा ही नहीं कौन सा tournament
I
है.
thought Global Chess League के पहले था, so there you didn't play so well, but WR Chess you played
जहाँ
well.
पे you were at the Langham Hotel, you had said कि मेरा बुकिंग है यहाँ तक, but if I lose then we'll chill. I'll call you. फिर अगले दिन कॉल आया मेरे को कि कहाँ हो? Out. आ जाओ.
Oh, guys, by the way,
Yeah,
Gukesh
that
is-
happened, but I won the first game.
First match with Topalo, 2-0.
I just want to give a little shout out to the position here
अच्छा हाँ.
because
दे.
because it's the exact same plan. So Vishy had pointed this out with it as the only hope that you push the F pawn, then trade on H4 and get these two connected pawns. And Gukesh is playing.
Yeah,
that
I was
plan
thinking
out.
like, let's say
Sorry.
we can make random moves to show the audience what you're saying.
Rook C5 check, F5.
Rook C4. See, and already the bar goes a little bit.
भाई अपनी मस्ती में अगर
H4.
वर्ल्ड चैंपियन हो गया तो गुकेश आज.
अरे नहीं उसने F3 खेल दिया डिंग ने. F3 GF
Like-
I was about to say, yeah, I was about to.
Oh, he played F3.
GF3 King F2 force.
No, बिशप से मार देगा ना.
नहीं, why Bishop F3, no? Bishop F3.
Why King F2?
Why not bring activate F2? End game आप लोगों ने सिखाया.
Why not take a free pawn?
Pawn ले लो ना पहले.
अच्छा तो ऐसे मिल जाएगा मतलब.
मतलब सब कुछ चल रहा है actually.
And if we play F5 now, maybe F4, right? Just
Yeah.
Just no, don't play F4.
Just take?
Take on G4.
take.
Trade as many.
No,
pawns.
nice move. I think
And now just
F3 was
put
nice.
Bishop on G2 and then move with the king.
Vidit bhai, there is a super chat by Rohan who says, what did Vidit say to the creator of his hometown?
What?
नाशिक बनाया आपने.
आपने देखा भी नहीं ना वो? हाँ, अच्छा.
अज्जू भाई गैमेट दिया मैंने. But guys, I have to head.
Now I know I'm.
Where?
I have a podcast to do.
Oh, yes sir. Wait, downstairs.
No.
अच्छा.
Juhu.
किसके साथ?
हाँ?
Surprise.
अरे भाई, इतना तो आपका members only पे लिखा है आपने.
ये क्या मतलब है?
So,
Oh,
चलो, I have to go
Ranveer
find-
Alapadia.
find my-
Beer
yes.
biceps.
तो आज सुबह को भी आपने पॉडकास्ट किया, शाम को भी.
सुबह कहाँ गया?
वो आपने लिखा था आचार्य प्रशांत.
वो कल है.
कल है. तो आप आओगे ना भाई फॉर.
It's on your
भाई
channel.
कल तो वर्ल्ड
Guys,
चैंपियनशिप
एक मिनट,
लेके आओ सर को लेके आओ ऊपर कल.
हाँ चलेगा.
Done.
गाइस, विदित को तो अपन ने लॉक किया, समय को लॉक कर देते हैं कल के लिए. आप आओगे ना भाई?
मेरा दोस्त से 4:30 तक.
नहीं, पहले बता दो पहले. हाँ.
मैच कितने बजे?
2-2:30 बजे भाई, पहले कर लो ना प्लीज.
अरे अब उनको कैसे चेंज करूँ टाइम?
भाई उनको इधर
वर्ल्ड
लेके
चैंपियनशिप का फाइनल है कल.
मैं नीचे से भाग के आ जाऊंगा ऊपर.
उनको ही लेके आते
हाँ
हैं.
उनको लेके आ जाऊंगा बीच में.
ये उनको कौन है?
वो जो podcast कर रहे
अच्छा.
हैं.
Yeah. So anyway, I have to head. Should I go today in character or should I go like me?
You.
Which character?
Or should I be funny there or should I be real?
You.
Real by real चाहिए आपको.
Okay,
हाँ.
चले. Okay, all
You
right.
should be real.
See you.
And
Bye.
Samay,
Take care.
before you
Chalo.
leave,
हाँ,
I
before
want
you
to
leave,
ask
तुम
you.
खराब क्लासिकल खेलते हो या रैपिड बताया नहीं तुमने?
पता नहीं भाई.
नहीं अमृता मेरे को मेरा क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट.
क्या है?
Which other languages does Samay know apart from English?
English, Hindi, Telugu,
Marathi.
Kashmiri, Marathi.
So
Foreign
if you want to
languages?
learn Spanish,
No.
if
What about German?
No.
Italian?
No.
French.
Korean by
I
Korean,
want to learn
हुआ था कल.
Japanese, then you can go to the other yeah. But right now, if you want to learn any languages, then AirLearn is here.
Yes, sir.
And if you want to learn chess, then get yourself the 1 month free membership on chess.com.
Thank you so much, yaar. I will do that. ठीक है, thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye bye. All the best to Mukesh.
Bye.
बढ़िया.
Bye, chat.
Okay, so Samay has left.
Can we have a prediction round for tomorrow from the
Let's
panel?
do it. So what is the question? What are we predicting?
Because it's going to be a draw.
Yeah, this is going to be a draw now that the other
मैं
writer
सच
is
बोलूं
gone.
क्या, मैं प्रेडिक्ट कर करके थक गया क्योंकि जो भी प्रेडिक्ट करता हूँ ना होता ही नहीं. लाइक टुडे आई प्रेडिक्टेड अ ड्रॉ हो गया, बट जनरली इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू प्रेडिक्ट.
Yeah. And you know, Sagar has predicted and bet his house multiple times, lost 4-5 houses. So it's really not worked out for the Shah family.
विदित वो आएगा ना अगर
No, but you
एक
have to give
guy
logic
तो
behind it.
Yeah, we have to explain our prediction. So what's the question with it?
Tomorrow it will be a tie break. What will happen?
I assume that Gukesh wins in the first 4 games
Yes.
itself.
Agree.
Yeah.
15 वाला
And
इसमें
I'll
खत्म
tell you my logic why. I think Gukesh will have more energy. Just that is one of the main things. He will be much more pumped up. Ding, of course, because he's almost 14 years elder to Gukesh, will be more tired, and that will play a role.
But as Vishi
That's
said,
what
that's a fraction of a thing
Interesting.
like that, the age and that energy. But I think his preparation, opening preparation has been amazing. And if Ding wouldn't have had much time to, answer it in classical, then it would have been very difficult that way.
That's a very good point regarding preparation because I also thought about it. That Gukesh is coming up with new ideas in every game, and Ding has the luxury of thinking in the classical time control.
Acha, correct.
Okay, Tanya and Amruta, what are your predictions?
No, I am same. First 4 games for me. What about Tanya and
With it,
Logic?
logic? मतलब because his opening preparation is my logic. I think that will already hit. And I honestly do not think that Gukesh is going to be very weak in rapid anymore. Somebody who knows that he has to play World Championship is going to work on it extensively. You want to get rid of your weakness. And his calculation is so good that at the end of it, such a situation gives you that extra energy, extra momentum, and the grit he has. I completely think that he will bring his best.
I think the match will go to 10+5 and Gukesh will take it in that. And the logic, I don't think it'll reach Blitz. I think if it reaches Blitz, it becomes very random, very hard to predict at that point. The thing is that we've seen Gukesh take a lot of chances and he's sort of the one who's going into these imbalanced positions which are very difficult to handle with less time on the clock. While Gukesh feels perhaps a little bit more at ease in those kind of positions. So with opening preparation that he's shown, fresh ideas, if he's able to get that, I think for Ding it might get difficult to continue being under pressure because collapse becomes easier in shorter time formats. So I would predict 10+5 and Gukesh taking it in that. What about you with it?
Okay. I think the player who wins the first game will win the match because I feel making a comeback will be tougher.
ये क्या था मेरे तुम्हें बोलना है कि कौन जीतेगा और क्यों जीतेगा
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ आ रहा हूँ मैं उस पे.
You're building it. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm thinking with I'm giving the logic first before the prediction.
Oh, nice. So the player who wins the
So,
first game is the favorite to win.
Yeah, because making a comeback will be very hard psychologically, and there is not much time to recover. And I feel Ding with White will be very solid. So he has two White games, and Gukesh will take risks with White. He will not play his standard openings. I feel he will try to mix it up a bit.
Actually, किसको पहला white game मिलेगा? That is not clear, no? That toss will happen today. Because that could
Okay.
play a small role,
Okay.
right?
Are we sure about that? That the toss happens, or is it
I guess so, because I don't think they will continue with the
Maybe
same
Rakesh.
color, right?
toss tonight? Okay, so there's a toss
Sagar.
tonight.
Yeah, toss है.
Sagar Bhai also doesn't read the rule book.
मतलब we never thought this will go this far, so.
Did you think this will go this far? And then we'll come back to your prediction.
When Ding won the comeback game, I think it was 10th game. Oh no, 12th game, sorry.
Yeah.
Then I knew that it will go to tie breaks because margin of error is so low. Although Gukesh had an excellent chance yesterday, which I did not expect.
But with it, वो तो सबको ही लगा था फिर. But at the start, when the match started, did you feel that this will get decided in classical? Yeah.
Before the match, I thought Gukesh was a big favorite because of the obvious reasons. But we have told 100 times
Yeah,
already.
Vidit, I have one question.
But Ding fought well.
Prediction कर लो. एक second. There is one question from the audience also. Is it about the position?
Okay.
Can you ask? Take it slow. Take it slow.
Only on 16. What happens there?
If Ding goes low on time, he has 30-second increment
Yeah,
per
that
move.
is fine. But then
If he loses on time, he's lost the game.
okay, but the position stays same, even if it's a draw.
Right. It's the board position. If you lose on time, you have lost. Time is actually very important in chess. So, Vidit bhai.
I think we should also tell the position, like why it's such a draw. Because White doesn't have to do anything. Just move the king f2 g1.
Let's say black.
There's
was
only
still
one
not
weakness on g3.
Hmm.
Yeah, so rook d2, let's say it's a very natural move.
Say this.
And then you
check.
play king f1. Yeah, and you just stay.
You don't think there is a chance to go into rook bishop versus rook?
Rook, bishop versus rook. No, it's very hard because black has to play f4. But with rook on b4, I don't see how you can achieve it. The other way is to bring the king now. f6, e5. But you just keep rook on f4 also and bishop on g2. There's no entry for the king.
Yeah.
But how confident does a 2700 player feel about defending rook bishop, rook versus rook? According to you, like with less
Not
time?
so much
Thank you. Vidit.
because there's still a lot of possibility to go wrong there. But in this position, I think every 2700 will be very confident to hold with white. I don't think Ding is worried here at all.
You didn't complete your prediction. I want to hear that.
So I was thinking, I think Ding is slight favorite in Rapids. So I would expect him to win in 10 plus 5.
Oh.
I mean, if I have to guess, it's a very long shot.
Yeah, I think we are all
Because
happy
Gukesh, if he
about
wins the
it.
first game, then he will crush it.
Yeah. I think somewhere our hearts are so rooting for Gukesh.
Yeah. No, clearly
For
we
Gukesh, yeah.
we are not very much objective here.
Yeah.
But I have one question, Vidit bhai. Do you think, knowing Gukesh so closely, do you think that in this World Championship, Gukesh did not play to the strength that he has shown in previous events like the Olympiad or the candidates?
I wouldn't go as far as that. I think he has played well. He has created good chances. Like even yesterday, he created a chance. Earlier, game 6, I think it was. So he played well. Also, we have to consider World Championship is a special place, yeah, because the normal rules don't apply. The pressure is way different. I have not experienced that, but I'm assuming that will be very high pressure situation.
Yeah, the nerves are.
I don't think he has played poorly at all. He has played well.
Ajay, have you been
We
watching?
are more surprised by Ding's resistance.
By the way, Rakesh Bhai has given some amazing statistics. He says only 5 out of 50 World Championships have been decided in tie breaks. And since 2006, we have seen the tie breaks 5 out of 10 in World Championship matches. So, recent times where tie breaks are growing, maybe because it's happening more. पहले था ही नहीं tie breaks. But always the player who took the lead always won the match in all the tie breaks. So that was right, Vidit bhai. You were on point, absolutely.
That to come back is very difficult in that format.
Correct.
Vidit, have you been watching all the recaps?
I did not know this statistic. Recap, which ones?
All the ones that are happening. There are some really great ones. Magnus is doing, and then Anish is doing. So have you been following any of those?
Should I be honest or?
Are you gonna
Just say
no?
I watch only Sagar's recaps.
Yeah.
I have actually watched only Magnus's recap.
You mean
And-
Nakamura also?
I feel he has been very interesting so far.
Yeah.
Do you what
Like his
insights do you
insights
get,
into the game are
with it from Magnus's recap? Are you also able to gain something out of them?
Yeah, for sure. First of all, I feel he's not holding back. He's being very honest with what he's thinking, which is nice. And he's not afraid to criticize if he thinks something is wrong. He's not being diplomatic all the time, so that is good. And as he has experienced this multiple times and he has played against these players, he has some unique insights which no one can offer.
Yeah, very true.
So I really like
Which
it.
one did you do you remember any insight that stuck with you? Like ऐसा कुछ वो बोला जो you thought wow, that's interesting.
I remember some positions where, for example, Game 6, they were criticizing Gukesh's Kingy 1 move, where he had this Rook Bishop against Rook Knight. Yeah.
अच्छा हाँ.
So my perception was that Ding defended really well. But after watching that recap, I got into the details and I realized that Gukesh could have played H4 and put more pressure. But from afar, I thought, okay, Ding defended well, so it was fair result draw, I say something.
Got it. Very cool. Yeah.
I think this game should end in a draw soon. I don't know how long.
But I like how Gukesh keeps playing all the time. It's not easy. He can anytime agree to a draw. But
he has more than 1 hour on the clock.
हाँ मतलब
With the
उसको
addition.
I think he just wants to kind of put Ding in like थकाना चाहता है वो.
Yeah, and you remember Sagar when Gukesh was very little and he would come on Chessbiz India's stall. There, out of so many T-shirts, like he had to choose once which T-shirt he wanted, and he had chosen a T-shirt where we have written over there "No draw."
Yeah, he was always a fighter. By the way, I have one question to all our viewers. If here, let's say he waits, you go here, he waits, you come here, he comes here, what should black
Ooh.
play?
Wow, nice question. 100 points.
You mean pop coins?
Well done. 100 pop coins to you, my friend. Rook takes bishop, rook takes rook, and check, and you lose the rook. Can you tell your name? Pathik. Pathik, well done. Check, and you lose the
Pathik,
rook.
really? Your name is Pathik?
It's a very unique name. Sathik, आप क्या करेंगे 100 pop coins का?
Arey, he will donate it to Help Chess. Wow, thank you so much. That's very kind of you. We've had a lot of people who have contributed during this World Championship match to Help Chess. So a big shout out to all of them. I hope to read out their names at some point, but thank you all who have supported.
We have an interesting super
Guys,
chat
I
by
think I'll
Bhumika.
leave.
हाँ,
ये
sorry,
सुन
bhai.
के चले जाओ. Please congratulate my husband for his new job. He is a big fan and making me watch your streams for the past 2 weeks.
Oh,
इससे क्या
क्या
है?
नाम है उनका?
भूमिका, उनके हस्बैंड को नया जॉब मिला, पर वो बोल रहे कि ही इज मेकिंग मी वॉच योर स्ट्रीम्स. इट डजंट फील लाइक शी वांट्स टू वॉच दिस.
now she's like उनको जॉब मिल गया, अब वो मुझे नहीं कहेंगे कि वॉच these streams, so she's very happy about it.
क्यों, मतलब जॉब मिल गया तो क्या?
तो वो घर पे नहीं है ना, फिर वो
ऐसा नहीं था कि उनका जॉब नहीं था करके स्ट्रीम देखे थे. ही एंजॉयज आवर स्ट्रीम्स. लाइक कोई काम नहीं था करके देख रहे थे.
यार 2:30 बजे आफ्टरनून के मैं
तो ये इतने सारे लोग भी आए इधर तानिया, ये तो नाइंसाफी हो गई. हाँ,
तो it's out of free will.
correct. And by the way, I've received this feedback many times when I go somewhere. So someone comes and says that आपका आवाज बहुत आता है हमारे घर में, तो I get little bit, वो एक जन को पसंद आता है, दूसरों को नहीं आता है. तो that I have
पर अगर
but
आप
Bhumika,
काम
so
धंधे
sorry.
छोड़ के ये स्ट्रीम देख रहे हो तो इट्स फाइन, बट अगर आपके पास काम धंधा ही नहीं है तो फिर थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. यू हैव टू फिगर आउट.
Yeah, actually we've had a lot of people with it come here, bunking college, bunking their work for this live experience. So it's been
Yeah, how many people
really
here? I
awesome.
see them laughing already who have bunked college or work or something.
Heart relate हुआ यहाँ पे.
Actually चेस बेस इंडिया का पूरा टीम भी इधर काम छोड़ के आए. So
No, I think the streams have been enjoyable to watch. Like I've tuned in from time to time. Even now, I was listening to Anand sir joining in, and you guys were doing the commentary. Even the earlier days. So I think I was one of the 200,000 people who were watching. From London, I was watching the game 6 था शायद. So the streams have been very enjoyable. You guys have done great job.
amazing. Thank you so much, Vidit. And also, guys, Vidit was in London. He remained unbeaten there at the London Chess Classic. Played fantastic chess. Had some great positions, some tough positions, but it's always tough to beat him. I think Vidit, you finished joint second there.
Yeah, I've scored 4 out of 7. It could have been more, but yeah, it was what it is.
But the important thing is that right now Vidit Gujarati, you're winning at life.
Yes.
Yes.
Well
Good
put.
one.
On this note,
Wow.
I'll take your leave.
Bye, Romeopathy.
Romeopathy. This is a
अभी
great
नहीं
name.
छोड़ेंगे इस
Yeah,
नाम
बहुत
को.
सही नाम है, बहुत सही नाम है. Bye, bye Vidit, bye. See you.
Bye. Thank you guys.
Thank
See
you
you.
for joining. Guys, that was India's top grandmaster, Super GM Vidit Gujarati, who was here and gave us some very nice insights. मजा ही आ जाता है जब Vidit, and I think tomorrow he will be here. अपने साथ commentate कर रहे हैं.
You know, the more I think about so many conversations we've had about these matches with all of you, with all our guests, and the fact that this is going into playoff and what Vidit said as well, you know, in our hearts, we are all, of course, really, really rooting for Gukesh to become the youngest ever world champion. But guys, if it does go down tomorrow, which it will, to a tiebreak, it's going to be a tough day for Gukesh. With Ding's experience, with you know, his fast format play, Gukesh not having so much of it, it's going to be amazing to watch. But I think objectively, perhaps Vidit has a point. That
I'm not
Ding
believing
is-
anything because I just want to listen to, you know, he is there, right there,
Yeah.
till the end. That's what I'm gonna keep in mind.
बहुत crazy day होने वाला है कल यार. ले लो
Correct.
सब
And-
tickets ले लो.
I know, and we have Anil
Sold
here.
out.
Sold out हो गया?
Already sold out. देखा
Oh my
आपने?
god. तो थोड़ा extra कुछ कर सकते हैं.
Wow.
Black Mirror.
कितना मिनट में? 7 मिनट में सेल आउट हो गया दोस्तों. Actually, it
Oh
was
my
clear
God.
we had to do it in a bigger venue, but the tough part is it'll end like, let's say, at 8 o'clock or today,
Long
and then tomorrow at 2 p.m. How can we set up at a new place everything?
But
It's
can
almost
we-
impossible.
Can we add more seats
Yeah,
for
I
tomorrow?
think it's possible.
I don't know if
Clearly
Barraj is
possible.
around.
He's a gentleman.
या
ये
फिर
सुनेगा.
ऐसा नीचे also below the habitat में seats रख के वहाँ पे screening.
पर vibe तो यहाँ पे है.
नहीं
ना,
नहीं,
vibe.
but इधर थोड़ा ऐड कर सकते हैं. We'll plan.
We'll figure
it out.
We'll try to add. And
वही
by
तो
the way,
architect को लेके आएंगे.
तानिया, एक शायरी आई है
यार।
सत्य प्रभाकर जी से, तो आप एक अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लोगे तो क्या ही मजा
पहले
आएगा.
मैंने अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा था क्या?
नहीं अब भी और फिर से, इसलिए तो मैं आई एम आउटसोर्सिंग इट टू यू. 4 लाइन है.
अच्छा.
हाँ. So, Satya Prabhakar ji is the founder of Group E4 who has sponsored the food here and the
Arre,
food pack.
pressure ho gaya.
And he sent this to us saying that this sort of defines the situation well.
The situation at Habitat or
Yeah.
the situation of the
In
match?
general, वो उन्होंने भेजा कि
Okay,
please
let's
एक बार पढ़ के, you know, if people can hear it.
He's called it अल्फाज की महफिल. जिंदगी जब भी तेरे बज़्म में लाती है हमें इट्स हमें यस जिंदगी जब भी तेरे बज़्म में लाती है हमें ये जमीन चांद से बेहतर नजर आती है हमें.
Wow.
That's actually beautiful. So
In English, it is when life brings me to your gathering, this earth looks to me more beautiful than the moon.
भाई ये नहीं पढ़वाया आपने मुझसे.
अरे वो तो इजी था ना, वो वाला टफ था. बज़्म क्या बोला तुमने, एकदम like you read it so well. मैं तो उसमें ही आउट हो
वो
जाता था.
हमें में ना क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश में स्पेल था तो आई वाज लाइक हमें क्या है ये, so I got a bit confused there.
But
अरे
well
तानिया
done.
का हिंदी बढ़िया है यार.
हाँ यार,
मतलब वो जो
तानिया.
एक नॉर्थ इंडियन टच है हिंदी में.
Correct. दिल्ली से perfect. रुक B2.
We have अनिरुद्ध साइकिया सुपर चैटिंग. आज पैरेट की प्रेडिक्शन सही
अरे.
थी बट एस्ट्रोलॉजर, टैरोट एक्सपर्ट, पाम रीडर एंड पैरेट के बाद मेरे सारे ऑप्शंस एग्जॉस्ट हो गए हैं. विल हैव टू गेट क्रिएटिव फॉर टुमारो.
हाँ भाई.
I think सबको ही ले आए हैं ये. He's had tarot, he's had everything, astrology, सब कुछ कर दिया इन्होंने वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप मैच के लिए.
थैंक यू अनिरुद्ध जी फॉर योर सुपर चैट्स.
भाई कल तो कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या होने वाला है, सच में बोलूं ना. By the way, Rook B2, Gukesh has 1 hour on the clock, Ding has less than 10 minutes on the clock, और गुकेश छोड़ नहीं रहा है.
वो छोड़ेगा नहीं. He'll keep on playing and कल हम कल के टिकट वगैरह सब बेच दिए हैं. कुछ ब्लंडर हो जाएगा
तो फिर रिफंड होगा ना
हाँ,
सबको.
रिफंड होगा.
हाँ फिर ठीक है.
नहीं वो सब ठीक है बट इट्स लाइक you know we are all expecting
या
a
फिर
draw.
सब लोग इधर आएंगे और फिर खाना वाना खाएंगे, बॉक्स वॉक्स
We
फ्री
can also
मिलेगा,
have some
चेस
party.
बोर्ड्स रहेंगे.
True. By the way, if you look at Ding, he does look a bit uncomfortable now, and it could very well be because he's down to 9 minutes.
So the bishop is attacked, right? Why is he feeling the discomfort? Why is he taking so much time? Is there? I'm sure that he's made a move. Bishop to A8 खेल दिया है.
I think he's just feeling it because the game is not ending, right? Gukesh is playing on and on.
And it's getting closer to an end. Like वो एक nervousness आता है ना, like when you're about to get married, वो कैसे होता है jitters.
अरे वेदित से पूछना था ना.
हाँ, actually कल आएगा ना, कल छोड़ेंगे नहीं उसको.
King F6 खेला गया है, and now to the idea white can just shuffle around with the rook, right?
Yeah.
Put your rook on F4. Till black doesn't get that F pawn moving one step forward, you can't have a passer. So it's impossible for black to do something about that extra pawn. और अगर वो passer बनता है but you trade rooks along the way, that's an instant draw.
Ding बहुत लाल हुआ है पर अभी if you look at
हाँ
him,
ना यार.
लाल सिंह चड्डा types.
लाल डिंग चड्डा. बहुत ही खराब जोक्स बन रहे हैं यहाँ पे as time is going by.
As Amruta did a nice setup यहाँ पे, तो तानिया also बह गई उसमें. King E5. अमृता एक्चुअली संगत का वो असर पड़ रहा है.
समय भी था ना.
हाँ वो थोड़ा.
वो चला गया.
वो तो फटाफट निकल गया. वो बोला.
संगत का असर नहीं पड़ना चाहिए करके मैं जा रहा हूँ.
No, he's got to be feeling confident about this, and he.
Samay.
Rook F, no,
Ding, of course, yeah. Rook F2. Oh, what? What?
Oh my God! Guys,
Guys, sit
Rook
down.
takes rook and bishop d5. Look at Gukesh, he sees it.
Oh my
He
God!
sees it.
The king won ending.
Gukesh will become the world champion. Oh! Look at Gukesh.
This is the moment. This is the moment.
Look at Gukesh. Gukesh knows it. Oh my God! He's becoming the world champion.
18-year-old
Oh my God!
Gukesh will be the world chess champion.
Gukesh! Guys, Gukesh, कैसे? Let's. Okay, so mainly,
Can we show the line?
Gukesh has to take the rook. King takes
Oh
rook
my goodness.
and play bishop
Dude,
d5. ये bishop अटक गया है. He cannot.
It's a
wow!
first
King
line.
takes.
And this is a winning king pawn endgame.
Khatam.
This is over.
This is over
I
because.
cannot believe this is crazy.
Gukesh cannot believe it. He knows it. He's about to become the world champion.
Guys, Gukesh is just 2 moves away from becoming the 18th world.
Can you hear me? I find you heavy.
Wow.
History is being written right now in Singapore.
Yeah, we are witnessing history here, dosto.
An 18-year-old world champion. Let's go.
Can we see Gukesh? Can we see Gukesh in the video? वो ऐसे घूम रहा है, घूम रहा है.
Heartbreak for Ding. It's complete heartbreak for Ding. Oh my God, he resigned. One second, he's playing king e5. He's not resigned, guys,
Not
just yet.
resigned yet, not resigned. Guys, थोड़ा रुकते हैं. Gukesh can't
But you
believe
saw
it.
his smile. He
Gukesh
knows
can't
it.
believe
He
it.
can- He's about to become the world champion.
Gukesh cannot believe it.
Oh, he's laughing. He's laughing. He's laughing. He cannot believe it.
He's like world champion बन गया, मैं world
He's
champion बन
laughing.
गया.
He's laughing, Jenny. He
Yeah,
cannot
he's
believe it.
laughing.
And just because he did not give up his position,
Exactly,
he
guys.
played it out.
Never give up, bhai.
Never give up by Gukesh OP. Wow.
Gukesh OP in the chat. Let's go.